Have you ever felt your heart start racing the second you get to know the exact date of a big tournament or an exam? Like you were totally chill about it yesterday, but now that there's a date on it, you're nervous and your heart suddenly goes in panic mode? Yeah, same. Turns out, marketers use this exact trick to make you shop, and I'm breaking down how. It's called the scarcity principle. Basically, when something feels limited, our brain stops thinking logically and starts thinking urgently. Marketers use two kinds of pressure: quantity based and time based. And it works exactly the same way a tournament works. Only one person can win it. Because if everyone can win it, would you even want to win it? Same with products. If everyone can have it, would you even want it? Here's the psychology broken down into three parts. One, we naturally want what's harder to get. Something's out of stock, our brain naturally assumes it must be good. Two, it makes us feel exclusive. It makes us feel like we're a part of some elite little club just because we own the limited edition version. Three, it triggers FOMO, the fear of missing out. Once FOMO kicks in, you're not thinking, do I need this? You're thinking, how do I get this right now? That's the switch and that's the trap. And the wildest part, the product hasn't changed. Same material, same features. The only thing that's changed is how much it's available and till when it is available. This makes our brain seem that it's worth more. This is how marketers use this technique to make their products sell out in just seconds. That's literally value created from thin air. Think about it like this. When you see athletes grinding months before one tournament or crowd hyping a product everyone is wearing, you automatically go, okay, this must be a very big deal. Not because you check the facts of how it is performing, just because you saw everyone else hyping it. That's the same wiring limited editions hijack. So next time you see only two left or offer ends tonight, pause for a second. Ask yourself, do I even need this, or my brain just assumes that I'm going to miss out? Because the people who understand this mind game are the people who stay in control of their money, not the marketers. That's it for today's debate. Drop a comment if you have ever bought something just because it was limited edition. And be honest. If you want to read more, the link is in my description. See you in the next one.